Hello, and welcome to this ApexSQL Source Control video, where we'll show you one of the options specifically related to the shared development model: committing changes made by other developers. When working in the shared model, any change made by any developer will appear as a difference in the Action Center tab. In order to have sustainable commit management, we have implemented an option to choose if any developer can commit changes made by the rest of the team or not. To demonstrate how committing other developers' changes works, we've linked a database to the Subversion repository using the shared model from two different computers, John's and Steve's, and performed the initial commit from one machine. The Action Center tab shows no differences on both machines. The Enable Committing Other Users' Changes option is located in the Options form under the Administrator tab. By default, the option is not checked, which means that a developer can commit his or her changes only. We're currently connected to Steve's machine, and let's make some changes. After executing the script and refreshing the Action Center tab, changes appear, followed by the information that Steve made these changes, as shown on the Edited By column. Let's switch to John's machine and make some additional changes. After executing the script and refreshing the Action Center tab, new changes appear, the ones made on John's machine, as shown in the Edited By column. Now that we have changes made by more than one developer shown in the Action Center tab, let's try to make some commits. Currently, I'm logged on John's machine, and the Enable Committing Other Users' Changes option is not checked in the add-in options. This should allow committing changes made by John only. Let's select the Orders table and try committing. The Orders table is successfully committed. Now, let's try to commit Steve's change from the same machine. We'll check the Invoices table. In this case, ApexSQL Source Control throws a message that the operation cannot be done until the Enable Committing Other Users' Changes option is checked. Following the instructions from the message, let's check this option. Now that we have requested the option checked, let's try committing the same change again. This time, the commit will be performed successfully. This way, the team can control the commit operation, and in case the developer who made the change is not available, by checking the Enable Committing Other Users' Changes option, any developer can commit a change. Another useful option related to this is filtering changes made by specific users in the Action Center tab. To demonstrate filtering changes, let's look at the Action Center tab, where we have changes made by multiple users. In case the Enable Committing Other Users' Changes option is unchecked, committing changes made by other developers will not be possible. Specifically, if I'm currently working from John's machine with Enable Committing Other Users' Changes option unchecked, I don't need any other changes in the Action Center tab because I cannot commit any of them. To filter just those changes made by John, I'll specify the user in the filter row under the Edited By column. Any other developer can do the same on a local machine. And in case all changes need to be shown, when the Enable Committing Other Users' Changes option is checked, removing the specified value from the filter row includes back all changes. This way, a developer can choose if changes need to be committed or not, as well as if the changes will be shown in the Action Center tab, or just the specific changes. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit apexsql.com.